Hey everybody, this is Garm from rainchains.com. Today I want to show you how to put together our Terra Flower Cup rain chain number 5225-5. This is a really beefy, nice rain chain. Here's what comes in the box. There's going to be a top. At the top has female threads. That means the threads are inside. So that'll be the top. We have a bottom. These are labeled in separate bags. And the bottom has male threads, threads on the outside. So we just start with the top. And the top goes into the top of the cup. The first section, these are separate sections. The male thread comes up through the bottom and it just twists together, just like that. And we've made one section. Now you'll see that ends again in a female. So we'll take another male, threads on the outside, take the next cup, put that on there, and we twist this together. Okay. And you just keep going until you've made that the length that you want. Let's say this is the last one. So this time we're going to take that bottom and put that up through the last cup and twist it on here. Put these together, twist it up, and that's the last. Whether it's 1 feet or 2 or 10 or 12, this is the way it will look, top to bottom. Terra Flower Rain Chain, number 5225-5. Thanks, guys.